Hi, I'm Jamie Hand, an audiologist with Starkey. Congratulations on your new hearing aids and on taking a big step towards hearing and living better. Hearing aids aren't quite like glasses. They won't make your hearing normal again the moment you put them on. Instead, they may take some time getting used to. Not just how they sound, but also getting comfortable manipulating them, adjusting them, maintaining them, and really taking full advantage of their many beneficial features. But those benefits are worth it. Don't forget why you got hearing aids in the first place. If you're like many people, it was to hear friends and loved ones easily again, not miss out on conversations and gatherings, listen to the sounds of nature, and once again enjoy doing the things that make you happy, like watching TV, going to church service and sporting events, or participating in conversations at restaurants. Glasses are wonderful, but they're pretty simple and straightforward. Hearing aids are wonderful too, but they're slightly more complex than glasses and definitely more high-tech. Not to worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'm going to highlight what you need to know to get acclimated to wearing your hearing aids so that you're able to get the most out of these life-changing devices as soon as possible. By the end of this video, you will have a greater understanding of brain acclimation, understand the importance of wearing your hearing aids regularly, and learn tips and tricks to adapt to your new hearing technology. You are recently fit with new hearing aids. These hearing aids were recommended by your audiologist based on numerous individual factors, including your type and degree of hearing loss, your dexterity, your vision, and your social activity level and lifestyle. No doubt, since you've been wearing them, your brain has been hearing many sounds it hasn't heard in years, like the refrigerator humming, keys jingling, or birds chirping outside. Some of these sounds may be annoying at first. Your own voice may even sound different. This is normal and to be expected. Patience is essential during the first few weeks of wearing hearing aids. Your brain needs time to adjust to hearing sounds it hasn't heard in a long time, and to hearing other familiar sounds, but with more clarity and sharpness. It's similar to going outside into the sunlight after being in a movie theater during a matinee, but it takes a little longer for your ears and brain to adjust than it does your eyes. Key to that adjustment, though, is wearing your hearing aids. It's wise to follow the plan your audiologist laid out for you, which probably included wearing them a little bit longer each day and in different settings and listening environments. Here are 3 practice tips I recommend to speed up adjusting to your new hearing aids. Number 1, wear them at home in a quiet environment for the first few days. Number 2, wear them a little longer each day. And number 3, after a few days, wear them in different settings and environments. Like with anything, the more you practice, the faster you'll become proficient. And before you know it, your brain will acclimate to this new hearing world. While the basic function of every hearing aid is to amplify sound so people with hearing loss can hear them, the best hearing aids, like the ones you are fit with, are much more technologically sophisticated than that. Worn regularly, they should reduce background noise, decrease listening effort, and increase speech understanding, especially in complex listening situations like restaurants, crowds, family gatherings, and those places that motivated you to get hearing assistance in the first place. They should keep soft sounds soft but audible, and should never amplify sounds so much that they're uncomfortable. In no time, new sounds will not be as disturbing as they may be today. Voices will sound natural, hearing and understanding will start to become easier, and yes, you will soon sound more like you again. Congratulations, you have completed our first video that focused on acclimating to your new hearing world and getting acquainted to your new hearing aids. If you want to know how to maximize their performance and keep them lasting for as long as possible, head over to our second video. In that video, I'll walk you through important hearing aid care and maintenance tips. See you there.